Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here is the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. The Katsina state government has approved the payment of monthly stipends to Christian clerics, a move aimed at promoting religion inclusion and supporting faith leaders across the state. The announcement was made by Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN) Katsina chapter. The Gombe State House of Assembly held a public hearing to receive public input on the bill initiated by Governor Inuwa Yahaya for the creation of 13 new local council development areas. Kwara State University handed over 2 petrol power vehicles converted to electric vehicles to the Kwara Ministry of Business, Innovation and Technology on Saturday. Now, insecurity. Gunmen suspected to be bandits have abducted Alhaji Adamu, personal assistant to former Nasarawa State Governor Tanko Almakura, from his residence in Lafia on Friday. Gunmen have killed 2 persons and injured others during an attack on Ijema community in Benue State. Still on insecurity, Nigerian security agencies have recorded a major breakthrough in the fight against terrorism with the arrest of 2 most wanted terrorist kingpins, leaders of Ansaru Group, Abu Bara and Mahmouda. Now, politics. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has declared the Kaurana South State constituency by-elections in Zamfara as inconclusive. APC Vice Chairman Salihu, who denies snatching elections materials in Adamawa, claims he protected them from PDP talks. Kaduna State Commissioner of Information Malam Ahmad Mayaki has described the APC's victories in the state as proof of Governor Ubasani's inclusive governance and people-centered policies. Now, from the international scene. Psychological trauma affects more than 1 million children in Gaza, according to the Ministry of Health. About 52% of medications are out of stock and there is a severe shortage of blood bags. There are 44,000 orphaned children and more than 1 million children suffering psychological trauma in Gaza. At least 3 men have been killed and 8 others wounded after a shooting in a crowded New York City club in Brooklyn. Investigators believe a shooter or shooters opened fire with multiple weapons early on Sunday just before 3:30 a.m. at test of the city launched in the neighborhood of Crown's Heights after a dispute, New York Police Department Commissioner Jessica Tisch told reporters. At least 337 killed in Pakistan floods. Government defend emergency response. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.